Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to add extensions to Safari on Mac. For that, first of all, go through your dock and choose Safari from there. The easiest way to add extension to Safari is simply tap on Safari option, which is on the top left corner of your screen. From there, select Safari extensions. Now, here your App Store will be opened with all of the Safari extension. As you can see, there is top free apps as well as there is top paid apps too. If you want to get free apps, then simply tap on See All. Here you will have all of the extension. If you want to add any of it, then simply tap on Get option available there. Then again click on Install. Then you have to give them your Touch ID. Once you provide them your Touch ID, this extension will be added to your Safari. Simply go through your Safari and then tap on Safari option from the top and click on Preferences. And make sure that you are under Extensions from the top. As you can see, this extension has been successfully added to my Safari. In this way, you can easily add extension on Safari. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.